I've been using Rex for some time for my retail operation. We have a few doors, a few stores, not many, half a dozen sort of number. And I just needed more out of Rex in terms of reporting, and they suggested Phocas. I love data. I love being able to drill down and helicopter out, and the flexibility to be able to take all the raw data of sales and inventory across all the key measurables and basically mix and match to come up with almost any report that I need. I think for me that if I could say the speed with which I can access accurate data. So if I'm thinking of something, I don't have to spend ages building a report. I just click on the variables and there I've got it. So it could be, it's especially around selling and inventory levels. It's both those things, but I can measure them by anything, by season, by store, by supply, by color, by brand, by style, by category, over whatever time frame I want to create. I can overlay them. I can flip it and reverse it. I can grid it. The list goes on. So I can drill down pretty heavily and then drill out. So I can get some very quick, detailed data right down to the SKU and right out to, an overall yearly performance or multi-year performance. I can see trends very easily. So it's the flexibility. Oh, absolutely. So it impacts our buying. It impacts how we view trends, whatever those trends may be. It impacts how we understand store and staff performance. So it's brilliant for tracking, and therefore you can make operational and strategic decisions with a whole lot more comfort that you've got just enough data without having to spend an inordinate amount of time and resources finding that data. It's really just at your fingertips.